Hi guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing good. So today we will do unboxing of October Bling Bag. Here I am just waving you guys and showing you this bling bag. This is how the ethnic yet modern clutch looks like. This is red in color which I have received, and you get all the blings inside. Now you also get this Stay Quirky I Love You Too kajal if you pre-book this bag. So this month collection is called Fest-Ober Collection, which has so many things to glam you up for the festivals this October. Now these are the blings which are packed like this. Now first are these stud earrings. These are called Advic stud earrings. These are multitasker because it has detachable jacket which makes it highly versatile to style it in multiple ways. So this is the way you can use it, the first way, and you can shorten it a bit like this. So the arrow, with the arrow it looks like this, and just a stud like this. It looks beautiful. It can go on ethnic or your party wear dresses too. Next are these Gohar dangler earrings. These are for $8.99 and these have beautiful crystals going on. They are earthy nude tone crystals which actually gives you so nice elegant look. First when I saw them in the packet I was like okay, but when I actually wore them I really loved them. Next in my October or Fest-Ober collection of bling bag, I have received this Madhuka pendant necklace. This is so delicate and cute. You can adjust it like this and it looks like this. It's beautiful. It has this aquamarine crystal stud inside it which actually makes it look so graceful. I have paired it up with the red dress. Last bling which is there in the bling bag in the Fest-Ober collection is this Sangam adjustable necklace. Now this is totally adjustable. This is how you have to pull the string and you can actually make it short or long the way you want and style it in gorgeous way. I like it both the ways. This is how it looks when it's long and this is the way it looks when it's short. I actually loved the colors in this and it looks so gorgeous. Thank you guys. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.